Welcome to Blue Ridge Christmas Tree Farm, Central Pennsylvania's best choose and cut tree farm. Located in the beautiful countryside of Annville, PA, here you and your family will be able to enjoy 100+ acres of over 50,000 fresh, beautiful Christmas trees. Upon arrival, you will be provided with a saw for cutting your tree, a tree cart to make carrying your tree easy, and a detailed map of the farm. Or if you'd prefer, you can browse our Farm Fresh pre-cut selection, with many different varieties of trees to choose from, including favorites like Fraser fir, Douglas fir, concolor fir, and blue spruce. You are sure to find the perfect tree for your holiday festivities. Once you and your family have finished exploring the fields and have found the perfect Christmas tree, it is time to cut it down. After you have finished, our handy tree carts make your walk back to the treehouse easy and enjoyable. Back at the treehouse, our friendly staff will help you measure, shake, and drill your tree. We then wrap it to make transporting your tree simple, all for free. While your tree is getting processed, you can enjoy our gift shop area. Here you will find fresh wreaths and greens for decorating, as well as many Christmas-themed crafts and decorations. There are also many picture opportunities so you can capture your memorable trip for a lifetime. Have a fun, old-fashioned Christmas this year with Blue Ridge Christmas Tree Farm.